What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Activity 360 coming back to y'all. We ain't doing much. A little something before I go to work today. But what we're gonna do is, I don't know if it's blue or red. Pin 42 says it's a O2 ground. So I'm ready to do some digging in here and try to see where that one runs. It's a couple things that I didn't do to the harness in that box, which is the harness that's already been reworked for the most part. But this one I ain't touched nothing. It's the one I pulled out from the junkyard, if y'all watched that video. And some of the back plugs got ripped off and whatnot. But yeah, I'm finna do some stuff real quick. Shit, the internet fucking up right now. I can't even upload this video, man. Y'all gonna get filthy fucking with this too. But finna get it situated. Hey boss, this ain't no cigarette. But it's one in the ashtray for my homies, but yeah. Yeah, let's do this. See, my area that I'm working in ain't the biggest. I ripped off a ground right there, damn it. I'm gonna check on that other harness to see what, you know what I mean, to see if I already cut these out and whatnot. But really, shit, I think I'm gonna quit talking and just start stripping this mud. And for right now, I ain't gonna mess with none of these. Everything on this block, I'm gonna keep them all on here for now, because I might go get the OG fuse block and throw this up in there for easier, I don't know, shit. I know what I'm gonna do yet, people, but this the front of the harness, of course. I mean, y'all got your these, and then, you know what I mean? So, all I need to do is, shit, remove this nasty shit. You have to remove this little bracket that you're gonna have pressure under the front of the engine, where it bolts up, maybe around the oil pan, or if I'm wrong, maybe around the passenger side. I think it's underneath the front of the block. So it has some clips. You probably really can't see. These clips right here, that's 3 of them that connected to this loom. But then you got these gray clips that you can press through. I probably really can't see, but shit. I'm not the best cameraman yet, so you're gonna have to work with me. But it's better footage than what y'all was getting. Well, at least all this do is, shit, if I got some people out there who don't think I'm actually doing the shit myself, I guess, but really I can't, shit, care less if somebody think I'm doing my work and not, you know what I mean? Like, somebody think I'm not doing my own work, fuck yeah, I remember shit. I really don't care. Think what you want. Think what you want while I smoke my blunt. Make some shit if this shit won't recording. Make sure it's recording. Yeah, recording. Hopefully that glare, man. Shut the blind sun. But yeah, that oh man. That bracket was right here. Running across. Filthy. Let me see. Let's see this where my finger is. A bitch clean. I mean, so y'all either get ready to get dirty or have an area that y'all not worried about getting dirty when y'all working. Yeah. Oh shoot! Got me a little trash bag. Something to drink on. Some apple juice. I removed this one. It's tan with white. If y'all seen my old ass videos, it's plug number 19, which I'm gonna go back and check it out, but I really don't need to now that I got my wiring guide and everything. But long story short, this wire, it don't go to the PCM. It go to this block, this plug right here. I mean, and this is supposed to be the oil pressure sensor, something like that. So, long story short, what I'm saying is, this one, the same one that I cut off on my harness that I've got to add back in there, is right here. Y'all can see where I'm at, hopefully. But I'm gonna have to. I ain't gonna mess with that one yet, so I mean, wherever that one, however that one runs, connected with which wires, I'm gonna run this one on my other harness. I mean, these is the rear wires. They go to the tranny and shit, I believe. Maybe I gotta look on. I mean, look on my other harness for reference. But I'm gonna get back to what I was doing, man. See, this for okay. Different years, LS. Damn. I don't know what year I got this motherfucker from. I say different years because my OG harness, or the harness from the engine I already got in there with, had 4 of these O2 sensor plugs. The square, with the 4 pins, they were all the white ones. On this one, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna say it has 2 of these ones, 2 of these black square plugs with the 4 pins, and has 2 of these ones. So I ripped all the wires from the connector that stayed with the car, I believe. So this is what the sensor gonna look like. I may be wrong. Let me check some things real quick. Only thing I'm checking, and don't do this at home, cause shit, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna lead you in the wrong way. But I got a pink, a tan with a white, a black, and a purple with a white. That runs to this one. Them same colors run to these ones. I'm thinking, like I was saying the other day, some O2 sensors have these flat style plugs and some have this. And lt1swap.com, it says, depending on the year or depending on the harness, you may have this style or this style. This one has both styles, and I haven't seen them in black before. But it ain't like I've been working on them that long either, but yeah. Yeah, close up. See this style right here, got the 4 pins. This one right here has 4 pins also, but it's flat. Yeah, I mean, y'all can definitely tell the difference between these two. Continue what we was doing, y'all. Trying to straighten this one out. Okay. We going like I was I don't know if I already said it or not, but y'all want to make sure y'all got a bigger area than what I got. Yeah, at least down there, 2 of these tables put together. Okay. Okay, that's right. I'm pretty sure. Both of these is O2 sensors. I say both of these. This is that flat plug. What I was talking about. This is the plug from the harness. The piece that you seen sticking off was the plug from the O2 sensor. Got this one. I'm trying to show you real quick. Okay. These right here. I mean, if you unplug it in the junkyard, or what? I mean, if you're removing it from a vehicle, if you unplug it, I mean, it's gonna look like this. This is from the O2 sensor, I believe. When you, I mean, buy a new one or whatever, it'll probably come with this plug with the 4 wires in these. I mean, say that the wires in my hand from the O2 sensor, wires coming out of there, O2 sensor. That's just my perspective, my thought process. I ain't never dealt with O2 sensors before, but yeah, I mean, it's just a little reference of how I did what I do. Yeah. Okay, so we got O2 sensors. We got over here. We got. I can't say with these. I mean, I don't know the plugs like that, but that's what I was doing. I was just taking this whole. I think it was this leg I was working with. Yeah, this whole leg right here. I mean, if you look at some of these, you can be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna need that, or I'm not gonna need that. Like this side, of course, you're gonna need. Pretty sure it's MAP, M-A-P, your MAP sensor. Of course, you need all of this I mean, because that's your 4 injector plugs. This, damn. I don't remember if the engine in the junkyard had EGR or not. This may be EGR valve, or EGR valve, but this may be the EGR plug that runs with this set of injectors. So I'm gonna do something to separate these from the rest. Let's see. What I'm gonna do is just, you know what I mean, with this ground, because I'm sure 9 times out of 10 I need to keep that. I mean, so what we're gonna do is something like, you know what I mean, just roll it up. Just roll it up. Around that ground, we're gonna go through it. Small little area to work with. But really, hey, if y'all know of some good video editors, damn it, on here. If y'all know some good video editors, like apps and whatnot, let me know so I can be able to edit these videos better than what I've been doing for y'all and whatnot. I know my videos don't be the best, but shoot, whatever. It's all gravy. I ain't scripting. I just did that to where, I mean, it's just smaller. Damn it, I should have put this in there because that's part of it. So I'm gonna have to do now. Just do it to that ground that I already was talking about. And then you got this majority of that leg, not leg, but yeah, I mean, you got that part wrapped up. One of these is okay. But, I mean, this is how I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna tune y'all back in or whatnot. Y'all gonna be able to see. Alright, y'all did a couple little things to remove these power wires. 30 power wires, but yeah, remove, I mean, and getting set out the way. That one wrapped up, that one, Alright. Alright, we got it right here in my face. For the other injector wires and whatnot. This one's nice. This piece of aluminum ain't even taped on here. You got a little shit I really gotta do all that. Them two right now. Well, what I wanted was this set, these sets of wires. Let's see. I'm pretty sure these probably go like damn, some shit's ugly. Anyway, I think I'm looking at these alternator, maybe what they call it, IAC, and throttle position sensor. Hold up. That's okay. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure these three go to the intake. So I guess this one does too. One of these may be, I don't know. I gotta look at them. I told you I don't know. But anyway, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 injector wires, and you got the injector plug, I guess, shit, or the coil plug. I'm pretty sure this is what it is. Alright, so I am going to remove a little bit of tape up in here. What I wanted to remove tape was not good. I'll check them on. Do these like I did that other side. Injector plug in. That's in my hand, so. Come on now. Wire, I mean, tighten them up so they're kind of out of the way. Shoot. I'm just really doing that to shit I know I'm gonna need. Okay, so got that one. What I can do is, shit. How we doing? Alright, ain't much of them stuff that need removed. I mean, a couple of them do for sure. But y'all know y'all can run your engine off of the stock harness without modifying it. Y'all just need to get your computer flashed, or I mean your VATs removed and whatnot, and everybody say you be good to go. Because they say the only reason that it won't start and run is because of the main reason is because of the VATS. The what? Vehicle anti-theft system or some shit? I don't know. Oh shoot. Put these wires over here. Seeing on a couple of these. Not funny, I just got to thinking about some shit.
Let's see if we can help. Do you get regular payments from an insurance company? For example, from a personal injury settlement or car accident?
Yes, monthly, and it's been working out okay. The thing is, it's my money and I need it now.
Right. So how does this sound? In exchange for some or all of the payments, we give you a lump sum of cash now. And since this isn't a personal loan, there's no credit to it. What we can do with all cash?
But
Apartments, go to school. After all, it's your money. Use it when needed. Call now.
yeah, so
Get $25 for receiving a call.
today definitely ain't gonna be the rework process, but I mean like what the hell? That's this. Get this too. Well, I can look at it. Well,
Now, for a limited time only, Bliss Plus can come fix your vision starting at $250 per eye. Our best price ever.
Knowing what I know now, I would be dumb to get the results that I've gotten.
Since 1995, the surgeons at LASIK Plus have performed over 1.5 million procedures.
all these rip wires.
All laser LASIK procedure to help treat your vision.
I'm gonna look at the other harness.
LASIK or LASIK Plus is
Hmm.
absolutely the best decision I've ever made.
Call 844
I wonder if these wires rip from down here.
LASIK.com to schedule your free LASIK vision exam.
But it's still got a plug it's supposed to have. So I also got these baby wipes to wipe off these plugs and whatnot, man, cause they're filthy, man. It's been in that junkyard, fucking raining and sludge, whole 9 yards. Got these shits dirty, so I honestly probably clean them. Maybe, I don't know. I might not go to work today. I might go get this wood and show y'all what I do out back in the winter for my dog. This mug's smacking out of. But I really like, I don't know what this is. This is it's gotta be, I mean, for what use? Should I go to the training though? It's like this is a different year. Oh damn. Shit. I really didn't even check to see if it was Oh, I mean, what was a 411 though, ain't it? The PCM's a 411 for the 9902. That's what that other PCM is over there, so I don't know. I'm gonna I don't know. I guess this video one for this second wire harness I'm working on. Well, it's your boy Yak City 360, man. Right in this video, I might make another one today, but I'm gonna make this like a little, not a series, but yeah, I mean it'll be a couple videos, couple parts to this wiring harness. I ain't gonna collab them all. I mean, it's gonna be maybe like 3, 4, 5. I mean, parts. But this your boy Yak City 360, man. I'm signing out. Wow. Same day, but different video. This is my little kit. Not my kit, but my little info, so I ain't gotta get on my computer all the time. I ain't got no, I don't know why I ain't printing shit out, but this right here is everything that's gonna be removed from a 99 to 02 PCM. And stuff down here at the bottom gonna have to get put back in, or I mean reran to the fuse block or OBD2s or whatever. This is a little write-up. Y'all can go on LT1Swap, go on LT1Swap.com. You gotta look through all them links and whatnot. You're gonna find what y'all need to find. But see, I decided to say fuck it, grab this, and I'm gonna clear it, take these other wires off, but I don't really know if I want to depin it right now or go outside and do some stuff. I don't know. But before I depin it, really, I want to see what these is. Matter of fact, I might match them up with my other harness now. Alright, y'all can see what I got right here is from my other harness. I mean, not the harness is ripped, but you guys can obviously see. This wire, I mean, the green with the black stripe and the purple with the white stripe, is this one, which runs, this one runs up next to the tranny plug on a whole separate harness. I'm using it for reference. So what I'm basically saying is, I think the part that I ripped gotta be resoldered, and there's either like it's either what I'm talking about is this piece right here. Shit, the piece that's locked in here. I don't know. Like I don't know what the fuck that is. I mean, I'm gonna keep it. See something. I got it up out of there. I don't know if it's my console. I don't know if this is just like an extension. It had to be, I mean. I don't know what this is. But what I am gonna do is take this gray tape off of both of these and tape them back together or wire tie, probably just wire tie them together so I know that I gotta resolder them. You know what I mean? I gotta resolder this piece to that piece, put a little connector in there and whatnot. Alright, so what we have here is transmission plug. What I'm gonna do, peel this back. First I'm gonna spark this joint back up. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm tempted to go to the junkyard and get me a fuse box and relays. I don't know what they're gonna charge me. But hold on. Shit, I'm talking about I gotta change that brake line and shit. Yeah, I'll do it. But shit, I got other stuff to do. But shoot, I got no choice. Anyways, what I was trying to say, damn it, we're gonna line up, we're gonna match up these colors, and this is how I'm gonna do it. This is not the way I advise, but it's the way I'm about to do it. So let me set up this camera, and only reason I'm doing it like this is because shit, really don't know why I'm doing it like this, but these are the only wires that I ripped, I guess. These and this one. But we got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See how many we got up here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So with that being said, both plugs got 13 wires. What I'm gonna do, see what colors we got. Yellow and black, tan and black. Yellow and black, tan and black. We got all black and another yellow and black. Let me see. It's on the rip plug. 2 yellow and blacks, a tan and black and a black. Let me see, we got the yellow and black, the tan and black, the other yellow and black, and maybe this one. Hold up. Where's the black on that? Alright, well, we got 2 yellow, yellow, black, tan, and black. We're gonna hold off on this red or this black one real quick. Okay. And we got a brown, a yellow, and a white. Or a brown, a pink, and a white. So we're gonna hit this. brown, pink, and white. The recommended procedure for this would honestly be go to the PCM, see which ones go to the transmission, or I mean, like, you're gonna want to run these, see where they run, or go to the PCM, use your meter to see if they're the same wires and whatnot. But let me see, we got blue. Let me see, hold up now. Got a blue, a solid red, and a gray. So what we're gonna see here is we got blue, blue, where the solid red at? Solid red. I ain't got no gray. We're gonna move that gray one back. Alright, y'all, man, shit's different. 2 yellow and black. What you're supposed to have, well, what I had on my good plug. You can't even fucking see. 2 yellow and black, a tan and black, a brown and white, 2 yellow and black, tan and black, a brown and white. Pink, blue, and a solid red. Pink, blue, and a solid red. And the ones I got left are a pink. We just want to see some real quick. Because my new harness, let me see, that's that pink. I'll throw that over there. We got the blue with the white line. Can you see? Okay. Blue with the white line. We're going to throw that one down underneath. Move this one up over there. Now we got red with a black line. Red with a black line. We got the lime green. The lime green. So this gray must be ground. Then only reason I say that is because I removed the gray wire. Only reason I say that is because, long story short, on my blue PCM, I think blue CM plug pin 41, I pulled out, but it said it was this O2 sensor ground, but it was a gray wire, so that's why I said this was probably ground on here, because they used ground for, they used gray for a ground, I guess. But yeah, man, that's my training shit. Or that's that, I mean, that's the plug. I don't know, I might put this video in there, I might not. But yep.